Isn't it so frustrating to see that YouTube is not recommending your videos? Yes, you take a lot of time into your video shooting, your editing and all that, and after uploading, you see that YouTube isn't recommending your videos to the audience. It's so sad. You know what? The reason may be that it's either you have not turned on this feature that I'm about to show you, or you don't actually know about it at all, or you have deliberately or unknowingly turned it off on your YouTube studio. And so I am going to show you straight away in this video how to turn on this particular feature so that your videos can be recommended to your other audience by YouTube itself. All right, yes, it's so great to see this feature. Actually, when I came about this particular feature, I quickly checked on my YouTube channel to see if I have turned it on, and frankly, I was so happy to see that it's turned on, and that is the reason YouTube keeps on recommending my videos to other people over here on this large and mighty platform. All right, so let's get straight away onto how to do it. But before that, we're actually going to use the Chrome PC version. Yes, we are going to use the Chrome PC version. That is, you're going to use your Chrome browser to get to the your YouTube studio. All right, now with this process or with this tutorial, the YouTube application on our various phones will not be helpful. The YouTube Studio app too will also not be helpful. And so the only helpful thing or device that you should use now is either your mobile phone or your laptop, and then you log on to your Google Chrome or any supporting browser, and then you visit the YouTube Studio. All right, now when you have these, then it is time for us to actually get started. But before that, please take a few seconds, click on the subscribe button and be part of this family, as I always assist and attend to you on how to grow your YouTube channel. Please, there are more videos over here and I'm sure they're going to help you. So let's kick start as I take you through the step-by-step procedures on how to turn on this particular feature so that YouTube can actually be recommending your videos from now on. Right, so in the first place, you need to open your Google Chrome, that is using your phone. So now your phone, you need to put it on PC mode. So when you open the Google website, at where we enter the site, that's the URL, you search for studio.youtube.com, as you can see over there. Yes, if you've already entered it before, it will show, but if you've not, then make sure you type to the end. Okay, then you wait patiently for it to open. So now this is my studio. That is my YouTube studio, as you can see clearly on your device. So what you've got to do is that after opening the studio, you go to the left side and then you see the options over there. We have a lot of options over there. As you can see, we have the dashboard, we have the content and all that. So we are going to use what we call customization. That is what my pointer is showing. So you click on customization, and then after clicking on customization, you wait patiently for it to open on your screen. Then you continue with the process. So now that your customization is open on your screen successfully, now you see you have two tabs over there. So you have the profile and the home tab. Yes, we are going to use the home tab, so you don't need the profile. Some other time we shall talk about the profile and its importance to your channel. So then you need to click on the home tab that is next to your profile. Now after clicking on that successfully, you need to wait patiently for it to open so that you actually proceed on the steps. Okay, with this step, immediately you finish, trust me, YouTube is going to be recommending your videos to a larger audience. So now you've entered, or you've clicked on the home tab, and this is what it's showing. All right, it's showing in about 3/4. Let me zoom so that you actually see it very well. So now you see it over there on your screen. It shows the home tab and the layout and the rest. So in front of the home tab, so you see show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. That is what the home tab actually says. All right, so now it also say the layout says that customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. The first one is channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. We shall come to that, but before that, you see in front of the home tab there is a button over there, on and off. That is what is going to do the magic. Yes, as you can see, the one rolling over there on top right corner, as you can see over there with the blue background as seen now. You just select that one, just take it, put it on. If the text or the videos or the things over there are highlighting, it means it's not selected on. So you make sure it's now showing in deep color. Now when it's showing like this, it means it's not selected. Yes, but when it's showing like this, clearly like this, it means you've selected it. Very good. So now turn this one on immediately. That is very, very important. That's what is going to do all the magic for you. So now the next thing we move on after turning it on is that you check the channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Now at this section, please make sure you select a video from your channel that is actually having a lot of views. It's having massive views, because you know a lot of people, when they visit a channel and then they see that your videos are not that many, they'll begin to just scroll up and then just leave your channel. Though that is not the ideal way, because there are sometimes some good things, some good content are having low views. You understand? So you need to actually know what you want. All right, so you select any of your videos that is having more views, and then you put it at the trailer section. You click on the three dots in front, you see change video or remove video. You can select any of them and then you are good to go. Now the next thing after changing your trailer is what we call the featured video for returning subscribers. You see, the trailer is for everyone, especially those who have not subscribed yet to your channel. YouTube will recommend that you show that video to them. Okay, as soon as any person visits your channel, you show that video to them. This particular one is what I'm talking about. All right, now the next one is the featured video for returning subscribers. These ones are for those who were once subscribers, or they are still subscribers, but for some reasons they've not been coming to your channel. So whenever they visit your channel again, YouTube is going to show this featured video to them. Don't forget about that one. It is very, very, very important, and that is part of those that are going to do the magic for you. Now after that, the next thing we are going to talk about is the recommendation section. Yes, that is the for you. It is very, very important. So you click on the settings under the for you, and then you are going to see what to include in the for you section. Now at this stage, or at this part, you see, frankly speaking, this is where the magic is going to be happening from. So over here, it's saying that the for you section will be only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. That means you should try to get enough content. Okay, now these are the content type that you want YouTube to be recommending to the other audience. The first one is a video. You need to tick and select that. The short and the live stream, as you can see, I've selected all of the three. Now getting downwards, we see the recency. That is the video that you want them to show for you. The first one is all content, and that is the recommended one. The next is recent content only. With that one, when you select it, it means that content you've posted in the last 12 months will only be shared. But I will suggest that you select the all content, because that is where it is going to show all your content on your platform. That is on your YouTube channel. It's very, very important. Immediately you are done with the selection, you tick on save, or you press on save. Now after pressing on save, it will send you to the main page once again, where you have the home tab for you to select publish, as you can see on your screen. So click on publish. As soon as you click on publish, straight away your settings will be saved. Those are the down over there. We shall get them, talk about them some other times, but these are the only few features that you need to actually turn on so that YouTube is recommending your videos for you. So now that you are done with this, always make sure that it is turned on, as you can see on your screen. Please, it is very, very important, and that is what is going to help you for YouTube to recommend your videos to the outer audience, for you to get more views. It's quite sad for you to upload and then you are not getting the views that you need. So please take time and go through this process. And now I want you to do this at the comment section for me. If you have been able to check from your YouTube channel, please type at the comment section that you have been able to check, and then let me know the status of your channel. Was it turned on already, or it was turned off and then you have now done it? Let me know at the comment section. If you face any challenge too, I'll be ready to attend to you at the comment section. Okay, thank you very much. Please take a few seconds, subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to grow your channel over here on the YouTube platform. Thank you and God bless you.